You do not owe everyone unlimited access to you. Your energy is precious, so protect it. Hello and welcome to Happy, Healthy, Fit, and Fabulous and day 10 of 31 Days to Your Best Year Yet series. Today we're going to be talking about something that can change your life more than anything else you do. And that is creating boundaries that protect your peace. As women, we've been taught to be everything for everyone, but rarely taught how to protect ourselves. Today, we're going to change that. So why does setting boundaries feel so hard? If setting boundaries feels uncomfortable to you, you're not broken. You were conditioned. Conditioned to be agreeable, conditioned to avoid conflict, conditioned to carry emotional weight that wasn't yours, conditioned to keep peace externally, even when it's costing your peace internally. But here's what no one may have ever told you. When you don't have boundaries, your peace will always be the price. You end up drained, resentful, stretched thin, and disconnected from the woman that you are trying to become. Boundaries aren't about turning into someone new. They're about returning to yourself. Boundaries aren't harsh. They're not selfish. And they're not aggressive. Boundaries are clarity. Boundaries are self-respect. Boundaries are emotional protection. Boundaries are love for yourself and others. A boundary is simply what you will allow, what you won't allow, and how you expect to be treated. They're not about controlling people. They're about controlling your access, your energy, and your life. Healthy boundaries don't distance you from love. When you set them, they make space for real love to grow. Here are some signs that you may need to set stronger boundaries. You begin to feel anxious when a certain person calls or texts you. You constantly explain or defend yourself. You say yes because you feel guilty saying no to certain people and things. You're exhausted from giving so much of yourself to others. You avoid having difficult conversations to keep the peace. You feel invisible in relationships. And you carry emotional loads that aren't yours to carry. These aren't personality flaws, my friend. They're signals telling you that it's time to reclaim your peace. Boundaries don't have to be loud to be powerful. Small, consistent actions can change your entire life. So here's how to start creating some boundaries that protect your peace. Number 1, give yourself permission to choose you. You don't have to justify your needs to anyone. Needing rest, space, clarity, or kindness is not selfish. It's human. Number 2, start saying no without a long explanation. Try saying something like, "That won't work for me, but thank you for understanding." Number 3, pay attention to how your body responds to things. Your body knows before your mind does. If your body feels tense, it means there's a boundary needed. If your body feels at ease, it means whatever it is in alignment. Number 4, limit your availability to people who drain you. You do not owe everyone unlimited access to you. Your energy is precious, so protect it. Number 5, create a sacred space in your day that belongs only to you. It can be a morning moment to yourself, an evening reset routine, a quiet walk, or a moment of silence. Peace grows in the space that you protect. When you start setting boundaries that honor your well-being, everything starts to change. You'll begin to notice that your mind becomes clearer, your emotions become steadier, your relationships become healthier, your energy begins to return, your confidence strengthens, your purpose becomes louder, and your joy becomes accessible again. And the most beautiful change that happens? You stop abandoning yourself. You stop betraying yourself. You stop shrinking your needs to fit someone else's comfort. You finally remember that your peace is worth protecting and that you are worth protecting. I want to leave you with this message. Boundaries are not barriers. They are bridges back to your peace. You don't need permission to protect yourself. You don't need anyone's approval, and you don't need to explain or apologize. Choosing your peace is choosing growth. Choosing peace is choosing alignment. And choosing peace is choosing you. And my friend, you fully deserve that. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. If today's message was encouraging to you at all, make sure you're signed up for the 31 Days to Your Best Year Yet ebook, which is a companion to this series. The ebook will contain all the lessons, reflections, and mindset shifts from this series and will be delivered to you the first week of January 2026. If you're interested, I'll leave the information down the description box below. Again, thank you for spending a part of your day with me today. I hope that you'll join me tomorrow for day 11 of the 31 Days to Your Best Year Yet series. Have a wonderful rest of day. Take care. Bye.